Hey everybody, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I want to hit 20 likes on my YouTube channel, and like and subscribe. And this is gonna be a light show.
Yeah, you know, I take some bigs.
And we're gonna be doing a firework. We're gonna be doing fireworks, and y'all gonna be seeing this. And watch it blow. Look, everybody, look. Everybody, look. And watch this explode, baby. Everybody, look. Y'all see the light show. This is so fun. I don't want to record this I'm recording it, but look at this.
Stay back.
Wow.
It was so fun. We was gonna be turned up. We gonna be turned up. Here comes another firework. Everybody, hush, 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 hush. And here we go, y'all. Here comes the second firework, and this is gonna be really fun for the rest of our lives. I hope it don't rain, cause we saw one firework over there, and here it goes.
Turning my flash off.
Really, just because it's gonna get exploded, and
because it's my tablet.
And she's gonna be scared because her tablet gonna explode near fire. Wow. Near. Dang, Jaden, you wanna be on my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
And hey everybody, this is my cousin Jaden, my friend Jaden, but I know y'all can't really see him. It's just all dark outside, and he's right here. Say hey.
Hey.
Hey everybody.
Back up.
Like us.
Run the light over here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's that one. Need help, TT?
Whoa, Dad, what is that?
And we're gonna be seeing
What?
this baby right here. I hope it be fun. Hey, let's slide.
What you doing?
And it's gonna be a fun day out here. While it's dark.
I'm cold, Dave. I'm cold. I'm gonna go get a blanket.
Of course you're cold. And Miss Mari is already. She must have cold allergies.
Red.
She must have cold allergies because she always say, "Oh, I'm cold. I'm gonna touch my shirt in." Woo, woo. It's not even that cold. That cold. That cold.
Look at
To us. Here we go. Here we go.
Titi.
Here we go, everybody. And it explodes. Oh snap! Look at that, everybody.
Oh my God.
Hey, I'm recording this. This is fun, y'all. I'm recording this. I am recording this. Oh my God, here we go. Oh my God, that was so fun. I can't believe this was the funnest day ever heard. I can't believe that was the last shot. Shoot.
Stop shooting with my tablet. It's cracked.
Oh my God, really?
Hey,
Really? It's so cracked. Oh, let's go check out some more fireworks, everybody. We're gonna see about this fireworks. It is so fun. I just wanna see this. This is so freaking fun. We got something over here.
who brought us some of these?
Look at all this. Oh, it smells like some ham.
She didn't want to do
Then after that, look at us twins. Cousins. We're cousins. And yeah, we do sometimes. Then we're finna go back in the house
just a little bit. Because
just for 1 hour.
chickens.
Well, just for 1 hour.
Okay.
Just for 1 hour, and we're gonna see the fireworks, and we're gone right now.
Where y'all going?
Everybody else going in the house. We out
You
here.
asked Mari why she went inside.
And we're gonna see these fireworks, baby. and let's watch it. Watch the fireworks. Woo! Is it recording this? Woo! Loud and loud. It's so loud, baby. I just want to do the shoot.
Smoke shot.
Look at all the smoke, though. Look at all the smoke, though. Look at all the smoke, though. Hey. She said, do you love me? I tell her only Polly. Only love my bed and your mom. I'm sorry. And 50 dub. And we're going to see some more fireworks. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got. Ha. Hey, you know me.
We got fire sticks.
We got, they're sprinklers.
These supposed to be long pump.
And we gonna see some
They can hold them, right?
sparklers.
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta put her.
And look at
But
these
yeah, you gotta give it to your daddy.
Put them down.
It sucks about the rain.
Hey everybody, we're back with a YouTube channel. This is Enly. I know we can't see that much, and this is my little brother, and that's Mario over there. I already told you about her. And we just did
Fireworks.
and I found one of these fireworks, baby. These are loud, and Mr. Ugly Jaden had popped my arm, which that hurt. I ain't get mad. And
You
look
stepped
at
on
this.
one. See? I told you you killed it.
And watch this, y'all.
No. Let me do it. Step on it.
Wait, where they?
Wait, look. Watch this, people. Oh, I'm going to step on one. I'm going to put it on the ground and step on it.
Then watch this, y'all. I'm finna slam to the ground
Step on
I
one.
told you not to bring my tablet.
like this.
Whoa.
And it was loud, baby.
Yeah.
And her man John, but ain't say nothing or I'll cry. And which is very terrible. And Mrs. Diamond Channel wants to act like a baby.
You only can spot what?
Fine.
Give it to me.
Wait, first I saw some. Another one. Oh wait, there we go. Jay, you need to stop hitting people. Jane over here hitting Alice with them. What's the card that teacher gave him?
Stop, Jaden.
He had popped Alice in the legs. And hope we got some lights. And we got lights. I'm sweating to death. And we're gonna be going home. And like and subscribe. I want to hit 20 likes.